climate change has been termed as one of the biggest challenges of 21st century. Climate change not only impacts human lives, but it also directly or indirectly result in financial losses for the organizations. So, in view of this, BIMTECH today has launched a course on sustainability and climate risk in association with EXA Climate. So, in an attempt to prepare a new line of professionals who can mitigate these kinds of risks. So, I am joined by Dr. Chaturvedi to share the details of this new program. Sir, can you first talk about the idea of this course and who is this course meant for?
We have been working closely with EXA, which is a global reinsurance company from France. One of our alumnus, Mr. Pankaj Tomar, is occupying a high position in EXA company as the head of the EXA Climate in India. EXA Insurance and its department, EXA Climate, they have collaborated with leading B schools of Europe, 8 B schools, and persuaded them to launch a course on sustainability and climate risk. It was probably before the COP26, the conference of 26 countries on climate issues, which was held in UK a few months back. So that initiative of European B School has got good response, and we have studied the course content being offered, the pedagogy, also the use of technology, and the utility of this course for our students in their future career. Right now in India, many people have no idea about the bad impact of climate related issues and global warming on the economy. Global warming is creating upheavals around the world. In India too, cities where never it has been imagined that there will be floods, heavy floods like Hyderabad, like Mumbai, like Bengaluru, Chennai and Gurgaon. These cities where in past there have been rare instances of flood, there have been heavy floods, there have been casualties, there have been losses to business, there have been losses to livelihood and agriculture. So around the world, this is a realization among big countries, developed countries, leading scientists that the global warming issues can be dealt by business, government and society if they join hands and collaborate with each other. Business is getting talent from business schools. If the graduates of business schools, MBA degree holders, they do not know about the worst impact of global warming or climate risk on businesses, economies, the graduates of these schools cannot be successful in managing companies. And companies will expect them, because they will be joining not only Indian companies, even multinational companies. So companies will expect from management graduates that they should know the linkages of global warming issues and climate related problems with the future of business. So BIMTECH has taken this initiative. We have got this offer, and right now only BIMTECH is involved in this, offering this course. We shall be launching this course in July 2022. In all our programs, around 420 students will study this course. This course has been, the content has been prepared by BBC. It is a video-based course, and students can see the videos every week. A video will be released. It will be on one of the aspect of the climate risk and the reasons for it. So I am very happy that we have taken an initiative which is a global initiative of leading the schools, and of course in India we are first.
Sir, BIMTECH as an organization and you also personally have been very vocal about sustainability issues. So how do you see the progress that has been made in terms of climate change globally?
Globally, there is a much difference between preaching and practicing among the big nations, rich nations, which are mostly responsible for global warming, like USA,
Yes.
like European countries, and like China. So whenever they meet, they attend a conference on global warming, they commit something. India has also been a signatory to Paris climate conference held in 2015. So India and China and USA, all big nations have given their commitment that they will reduce their carbon footprint, they will reduce the use of fossil fuel, they will reduce the use of coal in their power stations, and they will mostly use alternative energy like solar energy, solar power. So I think the countries, rich countries, they have committed that they will help the poor countries in mitigating the climate related risk, and they committed some funds also which they have not given. So this is a very complex issue, but definitely the planet has no future beyond 2050 if the temperature is not reduced by 1.5 degrees centigrade by 2050. So I think there is no option, there is no way out from this problem. All countries will have to join hands together and they will have to fulfill their commitment, but so far commitments have not been fulfilled.
Thank you for speaking to 10 News.